This is the King family in a thrift store.
I was supposed to be sophisticated.
No. Yeah, it was a near miss, my friend.
What kind of a helmet is that? What? Why are you getting excited over the strangest things? Like, look at all this cookware. And it's all cast iron.
Listen,
That is quality.
in case you guys didn't know, Cinder is obsessed with keys.
How about that is, look at that.
No, that's my kind of rubber beard has just grown a little bit. Look at this, it's beautiful. There's nothing 30-pound bridge. Now this is what I'm talking about. That guy is a freaking professional. Why park in the parking spot where you can roll your motorcycle right up to your doorway? Think about it. All he's got to do is throw on his backpack, step out, step onto the bike, and then drive away.
Those guys.
So this is that spot that we're always trying to avoid the ferry on the boat whenever we come out of Cary West. So the Aristos comes down through here, and then there's sort of a bottlenecked area here because there's this stream that goes out, and we have to make sure that the ferry doesn't come around the corner so we don't get trapped in that area, because then we'd have to back up again. And the ferry's kind of notorious for being extremely quick and not giving many shits about anything. So me sort of associated the ferry with Hank, the hay baler on Cars. So whenever we're coming around the corner, I'm always like, "There's Hank." Like Gollum. Cinder, are you like Gollum?
Ew, no.
Can you say a tasty fish so juicy sweet and slap it on a rock?
Oh, here he comes.
That's Frank.
Cool.
Yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look how fast this thing goes. See what I mean? When I say there's Hank, look how fast this thing goes. Jeez. That's what I'm talking about. When you're a sailboat.
Saying that.
It's a hand crank.
Pretty weird. What is?
She's lowering the thing.
Oh.
Works hard for her, this ferry.
Yeah. Unlike those bored guys at the other river.
Now we're in It's the evergreen stay. Cool.
And then I got the old trippy.
Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, it needs to be paid. That's like
That
I
is my
like.
dream
I like
car.
floating houses.
See that? It's a 2-story
That
house.
is so
And
cool.
it's floating on the water. Turn you around.
Why?
Because there was a yard sale. And
We could always get a
they
yard.
can tell us where Kathleen is.
You see, in this wall, that is a nice stack of firewood. Whoa! He'll heat his house for years.
That's an Alex.
That was an Alex.
Alex
Yes.
would be impressed.
Yes, Alex would.
Oh, they have beautiful little barns. You know what it kind of reminds me of? And it's as high as, it reminds me of Maine or
Right.
Vermont or something. The way they did their barns
You know what
and
this
stuff.
reminds me of?
I knew this was a wild goose chase.
You could feel the goose in the
So-called
chase.
yard sales. I haven't seen any geese in the side of the river.
We should've-
Now we're stuck behind a tractor.
we should've
Damn it, this
never
tractor
seen
can
them.
move.
Just island. The bird sitting in that nest.
Yeah, you got a point. That was in what?
2012.
Warren Skating Bridge.
Yeah.
But they had a drop clock.
I need something else. Turn it up so we don't see their technical difficulties. The hell are they doing in there?
It's like the Cybermen now, that's what it is.
Yeah, I'm getting strong Doctor Who vibes right now.
You know the Cybermen where they go to chop up all the people and
And that's where they export the people.
Yes. No, Soylent
Ah, we've made it to Castle Emmett. Yeah, Gibbs is talking about
One
that.
day I sit and watch the road all day long. You didn't go anywhere.
Where's the marina? Clear?
That says market and liquor. Oh, the third weekend in July.
Cafe.
We have to do some math.
Step up to the first guy you see.
Here.
Step up to the first guy you
Look
see
at
and be like, "Excuse me, mister. Would you kindly point me in the direction of the marina? There's alcohol to be drunk." Tip of the day for everyone. Buy pesto. Just in general. Just buy pesto. Whenever there's no reason not to buy pesto. Buy pesto. If you don't have anything to put pesto on, have a complete expectation that you will have something to put pesto on. And if you don't, just eat it with a spoon. Just, your life will be much better if you buy pesto. But don't get shitty pesto, get good pesto.
Same guy who wrote Space Cowboy.
Beautiful. I will get it. I will.
The cards have infinity on
You gotta go throw me, glue this back together.
Oh yeah.
It won't be as pretty as it was originally, but with some super glue and some tweezers, I can make it whole.
Epoxy. That's what you could use.
Yeah. I'll just make another glass.
We should get another glass filling kit.
Classic, open the book as they come out.
Hi.
Ah, shit, biscuit in a can. I said just use this sprechen English.
Okay. If I want you guys to be nice to me.
Say something.
Something.
Say something in Welsh.
Something in Welsh.
What?
Oh, I can say,
Notice anything odd? We're docked on starboard. We've turned the boat around so that we can scrape this outer edge and paint it according to the other gunnel. And it just looks wrong. And I fell in. Or fell off the dock while it was happening. Please comment down below whether or not we should name the dinghy the Blowhole or
After the U.S., what is it?
the HMS Blowhole. Is my flagship in a video game. Or should we name it Socrates? I'd love to hear.
What?
Because Aristos, Socrates, get it? Sitter's favorite job. Teak, everything. So, yes, should we name it the blowhole? Should we name it Socrates? I, for one, am a proponent. I, for one, am a proponent of the blowhole, but Mom's idea of Socrates did sound pretty good.
Ah! I hate you. I hate you. Gonna do the whole.
You should just put it on your hat.
I don't have it. Those cameras that you stick on a pin.
On a pin.
Yeah, they have them.
I don't think. I think. What?
Yep. Now they'll only go flip, flip. We're trying to get some cool ones.
And by the way, South, the first one, Mom had it pointed at her face.
I told you not.
This is when everybody goes deaf.
Well, to the years of all.
What?
There's a bunch of fives.
I believe something is on fire over there.
It's orange though. Not orange, it's pink.
And now here you hear the horns, the yelling, and the revving of trucks. Exactly.